In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search all notebooks at once. If you've ever struggled to remember where a note lives, this quick approach will let you scan everything at the same time so you can find the exact page, paragraph, or checklist you need without bouncing between notebooks. Start by opening your Notes app on Windows and bringing your attention to the top area of the window. You're looking for the universal search controls. You'll typically see a magnifying glass icon or a dedicated search box near the top bar or along the app's header. Either option opens the same search experience, so use whichever you spot first. Go ahead and click the magnifying glass or click directly into the search box to activate search. Once the search field is active, look for a small drop-down menu that controls where the search looks. By default, many apps aim only at the current section or the current notebook, which can hide results that exist elsewhere. Click that drop-down and select All Notebooks. This expands the search scope beyond a single notebook and tells the app to check every notebook connected to your account on this Windows desktop or app version. With all notebooks selected, type a clear keyword or short phrase related to what you're looking for. As you type, you should see results populate from across your entire library, often grouped by notebook and section, with helpful previews so you can quickly confirm you found the right note. The broader scope is especially useful when you only remember a fragment of a title, a meeting date, or a unique term you used once. A few quick tips can make this smoother. Choose distinctive words when possible. The more specific the term, the faster you'll spot the right note. If your app supports it, using a short phrase can narrow down noisy results. Keep in mind that the search will only find content that's already synced and available to the Windows app. If something seems missing, first make sure the dropdown still says All Notebooks, rather than Current Notebook or a single section, so you're truly searching everywhere. That's all there is to it. Click the magnifying glass or the search box to begin, and then switch the dropdown to All Notebooks so your search scans your entire collection at once. With this simple habit, you'll spend less time hunting and more time acting on what you find. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.